Hello, welcome to the ingredient channel where the fun of cooking is shared. In this episode, we're making sesame balls, my number one Chinese buffet go-to food. Due to the pandemic, I rarely go to buffet restaurants and start missing and craving the sweet, crispy, and chewy Chinese pastry. Finally, I decided to make my own with red bean fillings. One challenge to fry the sesame ball is the crack on the skin, which not only destroys the presentation of the pastry, but also could be dangerous as the hot oil may split everywhere. I learned a few tricks to avoid these issues, which I will share with you in the video. Let's go. Roll the red bean paste into 20 balls about 1.5 centimeter in diameter. Check out my red bean paste video for step-by-step instructions on how to make the paste from scratch. Trick number 1. The hot liquid with proper amount of sugar. In a pan, add whole milk or water, sugar. I'm using brown sugar, that's why the color of the sesame balls is darker. White sugar should do too. Medium heat to bring it to a simmer. When you see the small bubbles form, turn off the heat right away. In a container, add 1.5 cups of glutinous rice flour. Pour the hot liquid mixture in. Mix well. Add more glutinous rice flour as needed until you can easily knead the mixture into a ball. Depending on the type of glutinous rice flour, the portion could be slightly different. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or melt butter. Knead again to make sure the oil is completely absorbed. Set aside, rest for 30 minutes. Spray some glutinous rice flour on the board. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Roll one part of the dough into a long stick and evenly divide it into 10 parts. Take one piece of the rice dough, use your hand to shape it into a ball, then use your thumb to poke the center and form a little ball. Then add the red bean paste ball in the center, use your thumb and fingers to squeeze around and push the wrap up. Pinch and close it at the end. Use both hands to gently smoothen the ball. Quickly roll the ball in cold water Then roll it in a pile of sesame seeds. Use your hands to press the sesame seeds onto the ball as needed. We're going to follow the same steps to make 20 sesame balls. In a pan, heat up the vegetable oil to about 230 to 260 Fahrenheit. The temperature control is trick number 2 to avoid cracks. The oil needs to be deep enough to completely soak the sesame balls in. Gently put in the sesame balls, wait for half a minute, slightly move the balls around so they don't touch the bottom. Soon the balls float in the oil. Use the spatula to keep them under the oil so the balls can be evenly fried. In about 8 to 10 minutes, the balls turn into golden color. Take them out. Isn't that tempting? To avoid overheat, turn off the heat while you get them out of the hot bath. Once you fry all of them, time to enjoy. Crispy outside and creamy inside. Delicious. One is certainly not enough. Sorry, gotta go to eat more. I'm glad you stayed through the video and hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the other videos in my channel, comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and see you around.